All right, my friends, welcome back to another Camel's Hump middle school video tutorial. Really quickly here, I'm just going to show you how to export something out of Gravit Designer. This is going to work for the vinyl cutter. This is going to work for the laser cutter. This is basically how you get out of Gravit when you're ready to. All right. The basic idea is that we need to increase the size of our entire design. We then need to crop the canvas so that it only includes our design, and then we need to boot it out of Gravit. All right, so here's what I'm going to do. First step we need to do is we need to resize this entire thing. So to do that, you're going to notice that I have multiple aspects of my design over here. I'm also, before I go anywhere, I'm just going to double check my sizes. Make sure that your sizes are what they should be. Right now I'm at 12 by 12 inches. This could be millimeters. This could be pixels. This could be inches. Just make sure that it is the right unit of measurement and these numbers match the project that we're doing. All right. So right now what I'm going to do, step one. All right. Surround all of your images so that you select everything. All right, you're going to see everything over here grayed out. You're going to see boxes around your entire image. If you only have one image, then you only have one image. All right. What we need to do is we need to increase the size of this thing, and we're going to double the size. All right. So come up here. This button right here, we need to click that button, which locks this aspect ratio and this aspect ratio together. So if that's unclicked, click that. And then your width, whichever of the two numbers is bigger, so the width or the height, whichever one is bigger, click that one and double it. All right, so my bigger one is 11. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to turn it to a 22. All right, we're not worried about decimals. 22, and watch what happens to my height when I press enter. It gets bigger too. All right, so that's step one, and you're automatically, and just click out here in the gray, you're going to think, oh gosh, where'd my design go? All right, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to trim our canvas to include our entire design. All right, so this is a one click, click. All right, so right here, trim canvas, click, great. And now we're going to recenter our design right here by using these arrows. All right, so I am ready to export now. You're going to notice that my white space goes right out to the edge of my design. I don't have a lot of extra white space outside of my design. My design is now 22 wide and 16 high. Last click is going to be your export, which is right here. All right, you're going to click this plus button on the very, very bottom of your screen, and you are going to check this little box out down here. So it should say export, it should say 1x, it should say none for suffix, and PNG for the format. You don't have to change anything down here. And you're literally just going to click that button right there. This is now dropped in your Chromebook's download folder. Okay, you have done everything that you need to do from this point. If you are going to be moving on to a personal computer, one of the big machines in Mr. Keating's room, you need to do this one extra step. We're going to click show in folder. This is currently downloaded to your Chromebook. We need this put in your drive. All right, so you can open up your Google Drive right here, and you're going to have lots of folders. You know what the folders are. You might have a tech out folder. I don't really care where your drive you put it. It just needs to end up in your drive. All right, so I'm going to drag this, and I'm going to go down to my, let's see, do I have a tech ed folder in here? Hey, I do have a tech ed folder. I'm going to literally drag this, drop into my tech ed folder. Okay, I'm done with this part of the operation at this point. All right, you're ready for your next machine. Depending on what project you're doing, that's going to be the machine for you. Bye.